Hi, we will solve today this question. A rectangular function f of t is defined by f of t is equal to 1 in the interval 0 to pi minus 1 in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So what is the question? Approximate this function by a waveform sin t over the interval 0 to 2 pi such that the mean square error is minimum. So this question is very important question in the examination. Very simple question also. First let us draw the given question f of t. I am drawing the given question f of t. According to the given information, this is f of t versus t 0. So what is the given question? During the interval 0 to pi, the signal has amplitude of 1. During the interval pi to 2 pi, the signal has amplitude of minus 1 during the interval pi to 2 pi. So this is the given question f of t. We want to approximate this signal with sin t in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So let us come to the what we have discussed previously. Any function f1 of t can be approximated using f2 of t in the interval t1 comma t2. So we have seen, consider two functions f1 of t and f2 of t in the interval t1 to t2. So then any function, this function f1 of t can be approximated using f2 of t in the interval as, so as we have given formula, f1 of t is approximately equal to C12 into f2 of t. So in the interval, clearly mentioned the interval t1 to t2. So that means we are approximating the signal f1 of t using f2 of t like this. Here what is f1 of t is given? f1 of t is given as f of t. You can see that f of t is approximately equal to C12 into what is f2 of t is given as sin t. So what is the interval given? 0 less than t less than 2 pi. So we have already derived the formula for C12 in the previous class. The value of C12 at which the mean square error is minimum. So we have derived already this formula. The value of C12 at which mean square error is minimum is, so I am writing the formula C12, very simple formula I am writing here, C12 is equal to, very simple formula you can see, f1 of t into f2 of t. So that is integral t1 to t2 f1 of t into f2 of t dt by what we have to write denominator, f2 square of t, that is integral t1 to t2 f2 square of t dt, similar to vectors what we have discussed in vectors. So this is the formula we have to use to calculate C12. What is our objective? Just to calculate C12 and just to substitute, calculate C12 here and just to substitute, that is the answer for this problem. Very simple. Now let us change the limits. So therefore what is the given interval? 0 to 2 pi. What is f1 of t? F of t. So what is f2 of t? Sin t dt. Or you can straightly take C12 is equal to f of t into sin t divided by integral 0 to 2 pi sin square t dt. So you have to evaluate this integral and you will get the answer. So just I am writing the numerator as integral 0 to pi. In this interval what is f of t value? 1 it is given. So therefore sin t dt plus integral pi to 2 pi. What is the value of f of t? It is given as minus 1 into sin t dt by Write the denominator as, so 1 by 2 integral 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, sin square t is written as 1 minus cos 2t into dt. So just evaluate this integral, you will get the answer for C12. So therefore C12 is equal to, so I am writing it again to just understanding purpose, 0 to pi sin t dt minus integral pi to 2 pi sin t dt by 1 by 2 integral 0 to 2 pi, so 1 minus cos 2t dt. Just simple mathematics is required. So therefore what is the sin t integration? Minus cos t. So minus cos t, the limits are 0 to pi. So sin t minus cos t, minus into minus will become plus. Cos t, the limits are substitute pi to 2 pi. So divided by 1 by 2 into the integration of first one is dt. If you substitute the limits, it will become 2 pi minus integral 0 to 2 pi cos 2t dt. Cos 2t dt. So now you can see the numerator cos pi minus 1 minus cos 0 minus 1 plus cos 2 pi plus 1 cos pi minus 1 minus of minus plus 1 by, so 1 by 2 into, you can take it as 2 pi cos 2t is written as 1 by 2 into sin 2t, just substitute the limits 0 to 2 pi. So you can see that minus 2 in minus into minus plus 2 will become 4. You can see that 2 pi, if you substitute 2 pi sin 4 pi 0 sin 0 0. So therefore this factor will come out as 0. 2 gets cancels out pi. So therefore C12 is equal to pi. So very important answer. So therefore what is our approximation? Our approximation is f of t is approximately equal to C12 into sin t in the interval 0 to 2 pi. What is the answer? C12 we have got f of t is approximately equal to 4 by pi into sin t in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So this is the answer you have to mention in the examination. Very simple answer. Now let us draw the given waveform and the approximated waveform. That one is also very important. So let us say what is our given waveform. Let us draw the given waveform. So this is f of t versus t, 0, pi, 2 pi, somewhere 2 pi. So the amplitude, just to mention with the dotted lines, the given input waveform, that is f of t. You can see that its amplitude plus 1, its amplitude is minus 1. So this is the given input f of t. So what is our approximated graph? 4 pi sin t. That is the answer we got, 4 pi. So that is sin 0 0, somewhere pi by 2. At pi by 2, say this is pi by 2. At pi by 2 sin 91. So therefore the amplitude reaches to 4 pi. 4 by 3.14 means it approximately comes as, somewhere it locate 4 by pi. So this value is 4 by pi. At pi by 2 it reaches to an amplitude of 4 by pi. At sin pi, again the answer will become 0. Now say let us take minus 4 by pi here. So minus 4 by 3.14 means minus greater than minus 1. So therefore at 3 pi by 2 pi and 3, it will become sin 3 pi by 2. It will become minus 4 by pi, and at 2 pi this is 0. So this is the approximated graph. So this is the minus 4 by pi. So this is the 4 by pi. So this one is, the black one is your 4 by pi into sin t. This is the answer. So which is approximated which is approximated graph, approximated signal. So you have to clearly mention the given signal and approximated signal and the 4 by pi sin t also. So in this way you mention, you have to solve this question to get full marks in the examination. Thank you.